unboxing and getting my boys' reaction to the H2Freeze Squishies from Five Below.
Can I see? My goodness.